And to guide us through this trip, Denise Tan will tell us what's happening.
Guys, despite winning that second set, Coach Roger Greb is far from being pleased because he thinks the Lady Stags is still not giving it their all. Sabi niya, huwag kayong puro hulog, huwag puro off-speed. Alalahanin niyo wala silang libero kaya palo. There has also been countless times that the ball dies because of what we call a campfire. And that is why he reminded the girls one of the 10 commandments of volleyball, which is to shout, akin and not sayo. Guys?
Yep.
Sige.
Mind lang.
Sige. Denise Tan, sabihin mo sa akin yung 9 other commandments.
Recite.
Recite ka dyan. Thou shalt not miss your serve.
Yeah.
Marami yan. Nice. Well done. 8-6 ang bilang natin, 6-8, depende sa perspective, of course, always from the point of view of the server. This is Benting serving. Wala ng libero at Ateneo.
Yes, tama yun.
Lahat sila libero.
Kailangan i-attack. Go for powerful hits. An error. Interference at the net called against Ateneo.
Yes.
So ball goes to Sandugo.
Now down by just 1.
Alam mo, ang missing sa Sandugo is Jack Bowling. Diba?
Yeah.
Wala pa tayong nakikita yung the normal.
Ako bibigay ko starting now.
Gusto mo papuhayan si Jeng dito eh.
You know.
She's your top gun.
You want to keep her interested.
Yes. For example, she averages about 18 points a game. Ang dami nun kung mawawala yun.
Oo, bigyan mo ba? Joy Benito foiled. Rhea goes to Wally. Foiled. And Ateneo grabs the point. It's been like this, no?
Yes, and Jeng, on the error on the attack, talagang not the usual self today.
Alam mo, kita mo sa mukha niya, we've known her for so long, we can tell when she's just mad with herself, disappointed with the game. Uy! Tumusok din, ano?
Yes, but Benting taking that one. Sabi niya.
Sabi ni Herbaso, huwag niyo sayangin.
Herbaso naman.
And you don't see that every day from Jem Ferrer.
Sa sobrang ganda nung dig ni Herbacio, nagulat si Jem.
Ako nagulat.
Yes.
Ganda nung pick-up na yan.
Pareho, Benting and Herbacio.
Kayang-kaya nila yung ating Mikasa. Official ball dito sa Shakey's Feeling. And Ateneo losing the last 2 points. And Sandugo beginning to inch forward.
Jack Bowley, only 1 attack point save so far in her 7 attempts.
Did not play in the second set then.
Yes. Bautista actually played on the second set.
Ella sends it to the back row. Benting, tough angle to work with. Well done. What a set by Angela Benting.
That's right. And Jack Bowley just responding to that ball.
Watch this.
Patalikod yun, underhand. Bahala na set. And Jack Bowley getting the point.
11-9, Sandugo inching ahead by 2. Middle hit. Regalo. Unopened. Joust. Up in the air. Out of reach. 3-point lead by Sandugo, San Sebastian.
Now Jack Bowley trying to just get her game going for her.
Different game altogether. First time these two teams met. It's a straight set victory.
And a check ball.
And now it's 12-10.
For your student.
Oh, she's been absent on Tuesdays.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo sinasabi ba ako? Tuesdays naman. We have B-League games on Tuesdays. Oh, nicely done. Oh, nicely done.
St. Ross is on the running.
She does that really gracefully.
Yes. May mga taong ganun pagkat natignan yung running hit.
In perpetual slow motion. Pinaluan ni Ella. Pinaluan ni Jen. Tumas. Too
Z.
close, too hot to the net.
That's right. Z was there, but too much power on that receive. Tumama na halos sa antena.
And then Ella could not, wala sa skills niya is to toss on the run eh. 14-10. Regalo.
Oh, easily taken away. Taiwan.
Gretchen ended up ungainly there. She had to keep it in the air. Don't forget family fun and pizza. There's only one place to go to, it's Shakey's.
September 4, dyan ba tayo?
Ay, nako. Nagbibingi-bingi ng isang tao rito.
Talaga? Uy,
Anong araw September 4?
may game eh.
Ano?
Yun nga maganda, may game.
Oh,
Magkikita-kita.
diretso na. Panindigan na natin. Pari Pascua. May birthday ka pala.
Tuesday.
May birthday ka pala.
Zheng Boli.
Yes, well done.
Getting the bounce and getting the point.
And Santogor is at 16. Technical timeout number 2.